Our planet is a place of extraordinary beauty, filled with wonders that often defy our imagination. Its diversity is truly breathtaking. From the dense emerald rainforests teeming with life, to the vast sun-baked deserts where only the hardiest survive, life finds a way to flourish in every environment. Yet, scattered across the globe, there are places so remote, so extreme that they seem almost alien to us. These are Earth's hidden worlds, untouched by human hands, shrouded in mystery and overflowing with natural wonder. Imagine, if you will, towering mountains cloaked in swirling mist, their isolated peaks sheltering creatures and plants found nowhere else on the planet. Picture the deepest trenches of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches and bizarre luminous life forms drift through the eternal darkness, adapting to conditions we can barely comprehend. Envision endless icy plains stretching to the horizon, where the only sounds are the howling wind and the crunch of snow beneath your feet, and survival is a daily challenge. These are the remote ecosystems of our planet, isolated islands of mystery in a world that is, increasingly mapped and explored, yet still holding secrets. They stand as a testament to the enduring power of nature, and they offer endless fascination and inspiration for those bold enough to venture into the unknown. In these forgotten corners of the Earth, we discover not only new species, but also new perspectives on the resilience and adaptability of life itself, reminding us how much there still is to learn about our own world. Remote ecosystems are defined by their isolation. Separated from the rest of the world by geographical barriers, they exist as islands in time and space. These barriers can be physical, like vast oceans, towering mountains, or impenetrable ice. They can also be environmental, like extreme temperatures, aridity, or lack of sunlight. This isolation makes them incredibly important. They are havens of biodiversity, harboring species found nowhere else on Earth. Many of these species are ancient lineages, their evolution shaped by millions of years of isolation. They are living fossils, offering a glimpse into our planet's distant past. The unique conditions of remote ecosystems also make them ideal laboratories for studying the effects of climate change. Because they are so finely balanced, even small changes in temperature or precipitation can have dramatic impacts on the life that exists there. By studying these changes, scientists can gain valuable insights into how climate change is affecting our planet as a whole. High in the Venezuelan rainforest, towering plateaus pierce the clouds. These are the Tepuis, isolated mountains sculpted over millions of years by wind and rain. Their flat tops, like giant islands in the sky, are home to a unique and diverse ecosystem. Cut off from the surrounding rainforest, the Tepuis have evolved their own unique flora and fauna. Carnivorous plants with glistening traps lure unsuspecting insects. Tiny frogs, brilliantly colored and no bigger than a thumbnail, hop among the rocks. Bizarre orchids, their petals twisted into strange and beautiful shapes, cling to the sheer cliff faces. The Tepuis have long captured the imagination of explorers and adventurers. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, inspired by their otherworldly beauty, set his famous novel, The Lost World, atop these very mountains. Today they continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the hidden wonders that still exist on our planet. 7 miles below the surface of the vast Pacific Ocean lies the Mariana Trench, the deepest and most mysterious point on Earth. This immense underwater canyon stretches for over 1,500 miles, deeper than Mount Everest is tall, and is shrouded in legend and scientific curiosity. A place of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure, it is a world unlike any other. Down here, sunlight never penetrates, and the water pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, enough to crush most submarines and all but the most specialized equipment. Yet even here, life finds a way. Against all odds, unique and resilient creatures have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions, thriving where it seems impossible. Using advanced submersibles equipped with powerful lights and high-definition cameras, scientists have begun to explore this alien realm, venturing deeper than ever before into the unknown. What they have found is astonishing. Each dive reveals new species and unexpected behaviors, challenging our understanding of life on Earth. Bizarre fish with translucent skin and bioluminescent lures drift through the darkness, using their own light to hunt or attract mates in the pitch-black water. Giant amoebas, hundreds of times larger than their shallow water cousins, crawl along the seafloor, their slow movements a testament to the patience required to survive here. Tube worms, clustered together like underwater forests, thrive on the chemicals spewing from hydrothermal vents. These vents create entire ecosystems, supporting life without sunlight. The Mariana Trench is a stark reminder of how much we still don't know about our own planet. Its vastness and inaccessibility keep many of its secrets hidden from us. It is a place of extremes, where life has adapted to conditions that would be instantly lethal to most other creatures. Here, survival means evolving in ways we are only beginning to understand. By studying these remarkable adaptations, scientists hope to gain new insights into the limits of life on Earth, and perhaps even the potential for life on other planets, in environments just as harsh and unforgiving as the Mariana Trench. In the heart of Antarctica, surrounded by towering glaciers and vast ice sheets, lies a region unlike any other on Earth. The Dry Valleys, as they're known, are actually the coldest and driest desert on the planet, yet even here, life clings on. With no rainfall for millions of years, the Dry Valleys are, well, a frozen desert. The only water is locked away as ice, except for a few scattered lakes that, surprisingly, are saltier than the ocean. Yet within these seemingly lifeless lakes, life persists. Microscopic organisms adapted to the extreme salinity and cold form the base of a simple food chain. Even more surprising is the discovery of life beneath the ice. In a network of subglacial rivers and lakes, scientists have found evidence of microbial communities that have been isolated for millions of years. These organisms, thriving in complete darkness and at temperatures below freezing, really challenge our very understanding of where life can exist. The extreme conditions of remote ecosystems have driven the evolution of life in remarkable and unexpected ways. Far from the familiar environments most species inhabit, these isolated places act as natural laboratories where the rules of survival are rewritten by necessity. Creatures living in these isolated environments have developed unique adaptations that allow them to survive and thrive. Over countless generations, they have been shaped by the challenges of their surroundings, resulting in forms and behaviors rarely seen elsewhere on Earth. These adaptations can be physiological, such as the ability to withstand extreme temperatures, crushing pressures, or intense drought. Some animals have evolved specialized organs or biochemical processes that let them endure conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. They can also be behavioral, like unique hunting strategies, complex social structures, or even the timing of activity to avoid the harshest conditions. These behaviors are often as crucial to survival as any physical trait. In the Tepui Mountains, for example, plants have evolved to cope with nutrient-poor soil by becoming carnivorous. They trap and digest insects, turning the tables on the food chain to obtain the nutrients they need to grow. In the pitch-black depths of the Mariana Trench, creatures have adapted to the lack of light by developing bioluminescence. These light-producing organs help them attract mates, lure prey, or even communicate in the darkness, creating a glowing world hidden from the sun. And in the Antarctic Dry Valleys, some of the most inhospitable places on the planet, organisms have evolved the ability to survive in extremely salty water, and even to live without oxygen. These extremophiles push the boundaries of what we thought possible for life. These adaptations are not only fascinating in their own right, but they also hold valuable clues for understanding the processes of evolution. Each unique solution to survival tells a story of innovation and resilience. By studying how life has adapted to these extreme environments, scientists can gain a better understanding of how life evolves in general. These discoveries may even help us imagine what life could look like on other planets, where conditions are even more extreme and unfamiliar. Exploring remote ecosystems is not just about adventure. It is about expanding our knowledge of the natural world. Each expedition brings with it the potential for new discoveries, from new species of plants and animals, to new insights into the workings of our planet. These discoveries can have far-reaching implications. New species can provide valuable genetic resources for medicine and agriculture. New insights into the adaptations of extremophiles can inspire new technologies for bioremediation and renewable energy. And a better understanding of the impacts of climate change on these sensitive ecosystems can help us develop strategies to mitigate its effects on a global scale. The study of remote ecosystems is a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and collaboration. It requires experts from a wide range of disciplines, from biologists and geologists to engineers and computer scientists, working together to overcome the challenges of exploring these extreme environments. The very isolation that makes remote ecosystems so unique also makes them incredibly vulnerable. Climate change, pollution, and invasive species all pose significant threats to these fragile environments. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, it is more important than ever that we take steps to protect these last bastions of wilderness. Conservation efforts for remote ecosystems often focus on limiting human impact. This can involve establishing protected areas, regulating tourism, and promoting sustainable practices in surrounding regions. It also means raising awareness about the importance of these ecosystems and the threats they face. Each of us has a role to play in protecting these hidden worlds. By supporting conservation organizations, reducing our own environmental footprint, and speaking out in defense of these irreplaceable ecosystems, we can help ensure that they continue to inspire wonder and discovery for generations to come. Our planet is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. The remote ecosystems of our world, from the cloud forests of the Tepuis to the depths of the Mariana Trench, are a testament to the power of nature and the endless possibilities for discovery. As we continue to explore these hidden worlds, we are constantly reminded of how much we still don't know. Every expedition, every new species discovered, every new insight into the workings of our planet fuels our curiosity and inspires us to learn more. Let us embrace this spirit of adventure and discovery. Let us continue to explore, to learn, and to protect the hidden wonders of our planet. For in doing so, we not only safeguard our natural heritage, but we also enrich our lives and inspire future generations to come. If this amazed you, subscribe for more mind-blowing Earth and Beyond journeys.